Idi Amin's son, Lumumba Amin, could be the first ever Ugandan to directly and confidently criticize General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, whom his diehard supporters call him the young lion. He sent questions of the questioning credibility of Muhoozi, saying a man who goes on Twitter to tweet about absurd issues and also what he terms as criminal issues, or what appears to be alleging that Muhoozi is doing bad on Ugandans. So this is something that I think he is the first to confidently criticize this general who everyone fears.
Okay, quick question to Patriotic League of Uganda, the political association of General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, but also to the National Resistance Movement, his father's political party. I wonder if all of you believe that the people of Uganda are one day going to overwhelmingly vote for an individual who tortures them in his basement and boasts about it on social media. Or are all of you quietly conspiring to make him believe that Ugandans love him so much as the basement tyrant? Because are you sure you are all not just wasting time and money that could have been used for better, more productive things for NRM? Or for the people of Uganda, regardless of political affiliation? I would be glad to hear any appropriate response on your social media to this disturbing issue, which, by the way, is not a personal question, but one of true national concern in the public and across the country's citizenry. In fact, Ugandans, kindly put your thoughts in the comments here. My name's Mr. Lumumba Amin, son of His Excellency, the late President Idi Amin. Thank you.
Should we believe that the people of Uganda will one day vote overwhelmingly for someone to torture them in his basement? Leave your thoughts in the comments.
So for now, we don't know whether Muhoozi will respond. Of course, Muhoozi always responds directly via his Twitter account. And it's first son versus first son. In fact, let me say former first son versus first son, and a former first family versus the first family, and a son of a general versus the son of a general. So one thing is clear, Muhoozi already expressed his interest for presidency, but Lumumba Amin has not yet expressed. So this is huge, and I don't know, but I think there are a lot of exciting news that will be coming soon.